And it's the morning before. No, I don't know what I'm saying. It's the morning of. I've been sneezing all morning long, and I don't know what it is. I know one thing, when the weather starts to change like this, it definitely always affects me. Who knows? It has been quite a whirlwind for the past few days. So we have to get like packed and everything. Bennett has a lesson at 11. He just went out to meet Pedro at the coffee shop. And I'm just drinking lots of, I have broccoli on the stove. Hold on. I'm trying to eat all of our food that's in our fridge. So we'll see what we have. This is our like mess of a packing pile right now. I feel like leaving is always hard, especially because we have someone coming to stay at our, oh my gosh, this broccoli is gonna be like so done. Especially because we have someone coming to stay at our apartment. It's like we have to leave it nice. Yeah, I'd say that's done. So not only do we have to like pack ourselves and just like whatever, we actually have to sweep, which I would want to do anyway, but it's just, it seems like in the last day everything got messier than ever before. I know that's an exaggeration. I'm kind of in that mood today. But what I am so excited about is being able to do these videos while we're there.
First video of the day. Look at that feast. I've made penne for my wife, Emily. This is our pre-flight meal. Penne with zucchini, tomatoes,
Yum.
bacon, sausage, cheese, olive oil. Did I say zucchini? Yeah. It looks so good. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but yeah, of course it's gonna be good. It's got bacon in it. And corn. So it's a pretty well-rounded salad meal, I guess. I mean, well-rounded pasta meal. I guess my brain is like, oh, we should have salad too, but no, we're not. And we're about to leave to go to Boulder. Yes, for Franklin Method teacher training. It's gonna be sick.
So we're on our way to the airport, to LaGuardia. LaGuardia. Got all our stuff. Got the banjo and our bags in the back. So we got lots of food too. We went to the co-op quickly to pick up some snacks because airport food is just...
Oh, they know. You know. It's the worst.
Do you know?
Everybody knows.
Especially on airplane. I didn't used to know.
Not everybody knows. Yeah. It's airport food and then airplane food.
I used to look forward to going to the airport and getting food.
Oh, really?
Kind of, maybe. Maybe that's a lie. I don't know. Gosh, we're on the airplane. Oh.
Organic chocolate burp. It's an organic burp.
So let's see, what did we do? We waited for an hour.
It's just like traditional airport stuff, you know. You all deal with it.
There's a screaming baby.
Screaming
We got
baby.
charged $25 for our bag. Then we figured out a way to make it all fit. So then we got refunded $25. Yeah, I figured it out. So then he got refunded $25. We were just...
Okay, calm down.
What? We're in the air. And we illegally have electronics on.
Our bodies are in the air.
Floating. The view is so cool. So I thought I'd make a video sharing with you all what exactly we packed for a trip. So maybe if you're interested, or when you go on a trip, can you stop chewing in their faces? So maybe if you go on a trip and you're curious, I wonder what snacks would be good. Maybe these will give you some ideas. So first, I showed you these the other day. We went to the co-op this morning and we got these tamari crackers. Oh my god, this baby's ruining my video. So is Bennett. We got these tamari crackers. So they're delicious. Just nice crunch. A nice crunch. So we also made, we had to cook some of the fresh produce that was in our fridge. And so we made a pasta dish and we put, chicken apple apple sausage, like chopped up. I'm doing it. This is my turn. Chicken apple sausage, bacon, squash, like sliced up, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, sauteed. Is there anything else? You can help me now. I think that was it. But what would have been good added to it was mushrooms. Actually, I think there's a clip of it that Bennett showed you. And then we also made corn on the cob. And we ate a little bit before we left the airport. When we were packing up, we just sliced it off the cob and mixed it in with the pasta, and it was amazing. So we brought that in a Tupperware container, but we ate all of that while we were waiting at the gate. So we have these crackers. We also bought these. They're these snacks that I had for the first time in Italy, and they have them at the co-op. They're these like twists. They're called Tarali.
So good.
They're so good. So this is the packaging. Here, show them what they look like. Oh, wait, hold on, the guy's coming. So far in Colorado, there's lots of fields. Lots and lots of fields. We're landing right now. We're in the airport. Yay! Headed on the air tram. Is it a tram or a tram?
Train.
It's not a train. Alright, so our baggage just come out of the carousel thing. And this one points to me and says, "You go get it." And I said, "You're the man." And he said, "You're the woman."
Whoa, man.
Whoa, man. So who do you think should go get the bag? Him?
I look the most tired.
Or me? Him? Or me? Leave us a comment. Let us know who should go get the bag.
I'll get the bag.
And in 24 hours, we will have made a decision.